Last week, Fortnite fans lined up in the halls of the Art and Design Building to watch Kay Vassy, Fortnite lead tech animator, lecture on her hard work and success.
I don't play it too often, once every couple of weeks pretty much.
I try my best to do more of the hiding and stuff like that, because if I try to build, then everyone is just like, oh, there you are.
Yes, I love building. I do double ramp rush a lot. Yeah, I love building.
Like the mining part, I like to get down in there and then the Dusty Divot? Yeah, that's what it's called, the Dusty Divot. That's my favorite part.
I would have to say the rocket launcher. It's pretty fun.
Yeah, just don't land on the clock tower at Tilted Towers, because a lot of people go there.
That absolutely just turned to concrete in me that art was what I wanted to do.
Demetrius Moore with APSU TV News.